greatest injustices in Zimbabwe today is the widening gap between those who govern and those who are governed. Ordinary Zimbabweans pay for everything, from radio license to office, electricity, fuel, and passports to school fees, while many in leadership positions are shielded by exemptions and privileges. Sarapita mashoko aribuda panguva ino arikuyazvikonekwa kunzi aiwa maZimbabwean leaders panguva ino they don't give a damn about citizens avo kuti pasubscribe like on the bell icon. Tipinda panapa tinoona kuti Jacob Kuzamutisi panguva ino anobuda nyora achiti the president, vice presidents, cabinet ministers, senior government officials and policy makers enjoy a system that cushions them from the daily struggles faced by the majority. Vehicles, fuel, accommodation, medical care, and even groceries are provided at the taxpayer's expense. This creates a dangerous disconnect between leadership and citizens. When leaders are insulated from the cost of living, they cannot fully appreciate the pain enjoyed by the masses. For them, inflation is a statistic. For ordinary people, it is hunger. For them, a fuel shortage is an inconvenience. For the public, it is a crisis. If our leaders are serious about saving the people, they must walk in their shoes. Exemptions should be removed, and those who make the decisions on behalf of the people should experience the same economic reality. Only then will policies reflect the true needs of Zimbabweans. Engineer Jacob Kuzamutisi. Tomashko arikubuda panguva ino munoti kudii pamusoro mashoko aiwa akuzamutisi panguva ino arikuuya panapa achitaura achiti aiwa your Zimbabwean leaders they don't give a damn about the people. Panguva ino ndio vari kunyatsoonekwa kunzi ivo vanokumeka sure kuti zvavari kuda maservice avari kuda vareceiver and vanenge vachimareceiver at the taxpayers money and they are not worried kuti mapolicies avari kuimplementa are they saving the citizens or not. Kana comment section medu kuti mafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.